Angle bisecting by folding.
How do you construct the bisector of an angle with patty paper?
Step 1. On patty paper, draw a large angle, large scale angle on our patty paper. Fill up that patty paper. Okay. Let's label it PQR. Fold your patty paper so that QP and QR coincide. So we want to lay them on top of each other. And crease. So if we lay the two rays on top of each other, that tells me something about those two angles being the same. Okay. Draw a ray with endpoint Q along the crease. Does the ray bisect angle PQR? Since this ray lays on top of this ray, then those two angles are laying on top of each other. We're okay. We could do the same thing with an obtuse angle. And looks like we have the same results. So whether it's acute, obtuse, we're going to get the same result. Okay? Let's continue. I'll go back to the first one. Place a point on your angle bisector. We'll label that A. Compare the distance from A to each side. Well, remember that the distance from a point to a line means the shortest distance, the perpendicular distance. So how do we compare those distances? We will need to fold through the point so that this distance is the perpendicular distance. We can do the same thing. How do we compare those two distances? Well, let's grab a patty paper. And there's that distance, and we'll compare it against that distance. Looks like this distance is the same for both. Okay? So the angle bisector conjecture, if a point is on the bisector of an angle, then it is blank from the sides of the angle.